to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we're looking at the the Hot Wheels Boulevard Hot Wheels Premium. So I've got the Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0 in the Premium, and also the Lancia Delta Integrale. Integrale. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I have picked up two of these. I will give them, do you know what, we'll go through this one first. One to open, one to keep. I only found one of the other, and in this collection we have the Porsche 935, none of them on the shelf for me. Land Cruiser already gone, or none arrived, and the 91 BMW M5. Not sure whether I'll get that one yet. I have got a few of these Alfa Romeo GTV, so I bought that one there, and then I've also 3D printed a Diorama garage. I'm going to show that off in a moment as well. But I am going to open this one up. This one actually looks really good. Huge fan of these cars back from the rally days. I don't know if I've missed a rally covered one of these necessarily. I've picked up a couple of Lancias, but I don't know if there's one. All the famous stuff. I have to look through my collection again. Let's put that aside. Let's have a quick look at this before we go for the other. Oh, I like how the door handles. Fuel cap's done up and over the windows. Driver's window is open. This actually looks pretty good. Yeah. Oh, that tail sits way up. Is that right? Is that like with brakes on or something? I didn't think it was an active aero. Passenger window is also open. These wheels work for me, yeah. Front's very well detailed, which really makes this car stand out quite well. Let's have a quick look underneath. Trying to do the whole shadow there. 2020. Yeah. So copyright's 2020 already on there. Almost looked like it was rusted here, but I think that's the red paint. Not much to it, but that works. Pop that over to a parking space over the side there. Now, Alfa Romeo. I actually have enjoyed these. These look pretty good. And I'm not keeping this sealed, so I am going to open it. All the artwork, though, is on the card. That looks pretty good, in my opinion. But I want the car. And I 3D printed it just for this particular car as well. The garage behind. Free file on makerworld.com or whatever it is. And I chose slightly different colours than what they had on there. But let's have a look. Hot Wheels across the front, 82. So Yokohama. Light red crosses on them, which I guess matches the red crosses on the Alfa Romeo. We've got the clover on the side. Alfa Romeo in red. Is that Castrol? No, it actually looks like Dell. Hang on, let's get that in closer so I can see. I think it is. I'm not sure. Another Hot Wheels, a Brembo. Let's get some lights on this. Right, that side, there we go. Hot Wheels license plate, but everything's nicely done in the rear. I like how it's got the green around the back there. Yeah, very good. Over the roof. Underneath, we have 2022 casting, so I'm sure windows are open and a sunroof is on there. What if they would have had a sunroof really in the rally car? Let's bring this forward. Plan is obviously to, I can actually take this off. Plan is to put that on this side there out of the parking spaces, and these are with magnets clips on. But let's have a look without this. So I've got my number 6 also in racing, but just a little black X's on the front on that. Still looks good. Rear end's nowhere near like this is though, so I will have to be getting out and detailing these older ones, but they're not the premiums. Blue's the same. Does have a nice orange stripe on it though. Actually comes up really well. Grey, also with the orange stripe. They all have different wheels though. This has the full plate cover over it. This one has a deeper dish one, and actually this has the full plate as well. So this matches the grey one. Alright, having a look at the diorama. Now I've not glued it in, but it does have pins that pop in. We've got our Alfa Romeo Racing, the Alfa Romeo badge on the background, of which when I was printing this learnt that there's actually a snake eating a human with a crown on it, which I'm guessing is from some old coat of arms type thing. And we've got the green clover leaf there as well. So this will end up with some perspex. I have an offcut here, but it's not quite what I'm going to use for this. But you can see a thin piece of perspex will go behind on these doors here, and then when it magnet sticks in, obviously I will glue this in. I'll cut it down. I've got one that goes the full length. We then have a perspex front to it. This one's not the piece I'm going to be using. I could actually cut that down and then have a separate piece there, but I don't have another offcut. I've only got one that goes the full length, and I will need to do a little bit of work on that. But I'm going to show a few more of these garages on Maker World. So you print in multiple parts. You can print multiple bases as well, and you can even get little car lift things that you can print. I printed this one earlier, so I could potentially put that on top there and put the other race car inside like so, and that can end up on the shelf. And these also have another part that can go on top for stacking them, that you can run LED lights in. We'll get there eventually. I'll probably do that as well. See if I can lift that up to show on the camera. Yep, we'll bring the camera down. I might do that. So yeah, so Alfa Romeo Premium and the Lancia, but also a diorama. So I'm going to try and feature these a little more, especially when I start making them. I've got a few for Mustang. I got the Shelby. I even did a Tesla to put all my Teslas in, and they'll end up on the shelf. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully this piques your interest, and if you are interested in where I got the file from, I'll actually endeavour to put a link in the description. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.